Today, we are going to learn about future indefinite tense or simple future tense. Definition: the simple future tense or future indefinite tense is used to refer to actions or states that begin and end in the future. Structure: first of all, subject, then will, then first form of verb, and then object. Examples: affirmative sentence or simple sentence. She will sing beautifully. He will write letter. I will bake a cake. We will play a soccer. I will draw a picture. He will build a house. They will swim in the pool. Negative sentences: she will not marry me. The president will not allow this. We will not go to the market. She will not watch the football match. You will not be able to go there. It will not happen again. He will not do it without us. They will not see that movie again. She will not tell you the truth. Interrogative plus negative sentences. Will she not sing at the event? Will we not play cricket? Will they not run in the race? Will he not fix the roof? Will he not write the article? Interrogative sentences. Will you wait for me? Will she do it again? Will he be a doctor soon?